Well, so what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started without wasting any further time. So guys, today I'll be going to unbox the Boult Audio Tru5ive wireless earphones. This is for 2,800 rupees. If you want to buy this, the link is in the description. I bought this for 2,800 rupees. It was for 3,000 in sale and you can buy it. I'll put the Best Buy link in the description, and let's unbox the Amazon package. First of all, we will open our knife, the unboxing knife, and now I will take it out. So guys, it is now out, and you can see here is the empty Amazon package. We will throw it. Here is the Boult Audio Tru5ive wireless. You can read if you want to read the box. You can see here Bluetooth True wireless, 4 days battery life, deep bass and 3D, and passive noise cancellation, lightweight and comfortable, and all this. And you can see this if you want to see. Its MRP is 8330. I don't know why. And let's open it without wasting any further time. Now I'll take it out easily and somehow simply, and out now. Kind of crunchy, we will throw this. Here we will take it out. Here is the box. Now we will take it out. So guys, here is the box, and now let's take out the package. You can see this is the box. I'll pull it. This is not coming out. Okay, it's out now. You can see here is the empty box. Nothing is there. We will keep it aside. And here is the all black box. Yeah guys, let's open it. And this is the foam. You can see. Oh wait, okay, here is the foam bit. You can see empty box. We will keep it aside. And here is the Boult audio pouch, and something is in there. And here is the user manual. You can see Tru5ive wireless earphones. You can see the earbuds. You can read if you want to. It's useless, I think. And we will keep it aside. And we will see this knife. You can see we will close it like this. And now this, and we will keep it aside. So guys, here you can see here are the earphones. Good package. And the warranty card is here. Now this is the empty box. And these are the accessories you get in the box. You get this warranty card, this user manual, and this pouch. If you open this pouch, you get some earbuds, the micro USB cable, and some extra earbuds for your fit. And then after that you get one more micro USB cable. Then you get you can use it so that it is comfortable in your ear. And this pink color, the green color, I want the black color one, the black color. And now this is all in this. This is the black color. We will keep it here. These are the things you get inside the box, in the package. This and this pink one. We will keep it here. And you can see we will keep it here. And now the micro USB cables, and the manual, and the warranty card. And finally, here's the earphone, and this is the pouch. This is the earphone, this is the film, and we will remove it. And here you can see, from here you can charge your earphones, the power bank of the earphone, and it is written Boult Audio, very premium feel. You can see. We will open it. It's not opening. Now it's out, of pink color. So guys, here are the earphones. You can pair it and charge them. Here are the earphones. We will keep it here. I'll tell you how are these in my another video, in the next video. And to charge them, you have to put it here like this. And so guys, you don't have to pair them every time. You have to just pair them by clicking here with your phone, and after that, whenever you open the box, it will automatically pair. See, the blue light is blinking, and to charge it, you have to press this and it will be automatically charged. Let's take it out, and you can set your favorite color here. I'll set the green or the black one, and you can see this is the power bank, and we will keep it back here like this. You can keep this one here at the left side, and the right one at the right side, as obviously. And this is the, so guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will post a review of this earphone soon, and make sure to subscribe and like. Bye.